multiple choice quiz, a question and answer game. An offline multiple choice computer game about international puppet theatre. It is located in a mini wooden puppet theatre with a touch screen. Learn more about folk and mainstream puppet theatre in 24 questions. Discover the wide range of puppetry techniques. Listen to various sound clips and meet comical characters. Pinocchio. The game is played on the screen with a red-framed theatre window. A Pinocchio figure, Jumping Jack, is sitting on the pointed roof. The wooden figure comes to life if the quiz questions have been answered correctly. Applause.
Hartelijk welkom.
Puppets on the shelf. Puppets on the shelf, marionnettes à la planchette in French, are figurines with a horizontal string running through their chests. Dr. Johannes Faust. Faust, the main character in Goethe's masterpiece, a German poet, playwright and novelist, is a man of many ambitions.